Across our planet's vast wilderness, giants still shape the story of life. Beneath the endless blue ocean, the mighty blue whale glides with grace, the largest creature to ever exist on Earth, dwarfing everything around it. On the golden savannas of Africa, elephants march together, powerful yet deeply connected by family bonds. Towering above the plains, the giraffe reaches higher than any other animal, a symbol of elegance and strength. In the dark, mysterious depths of the sea, the colossal squid stirs awe and fear with its enormous eyes and curling tentacles. From ancient times, the saltwater crocodile has ruled rivers and coasts, striking with explosive power and precision. From the deepest oceans to the wildest forests, from the hottest deserts to the vast savannas, these are Earth's living titans, reminders of nature's power, beauty, and scale. They are the true giants of our planet.